I will check my outline to see what its dimension is. And it's telling me that it's drawn with a 12 mils trace. For the outline, we want the outline to be as thin as possible to be able to measure it as an actual board edge. So we will decrease the outline by 11 mils to make sure that we're actually measuring a board edge. And what that means is any feature within the board, we will know exactly how close that copper piece is to the board edge. In this case, this pad is 70 mils from the edge. This allows us to check all copper features to the board edge as it will be routed at the end process. The next thing we will check is the drill. We will do a quick count of all the drills, and this will scroll us a list of each drill size and the total quantity of each hole. I can scroll through this list and I can compare it to the customer's supplied fabrication drawing that has a hole chart that should compare and match. So this first line tells me there's 28 mil holes. It's tool code number 1, and there's 4 of them. And I can match it with the top line in the drill chart. We'll do this with every hole size on the board.